Hello, friends! Are you ready to learn about sports? Let's explore some fun sports together!
This is basketball. Throw the ball and make it into the hoop. Basketball.
This is soccer. Kick the ball and score a goal. Soccer. This is tennis. Hit the ball with your racket. Tennis.
This is running. Who will win the race? Running.
This is swimming. Splash, swim, and have fun in the water. Swimming.
This is cycling. Pedal, pedal, and go.
This is gymnastics. Flip, twist, and tumble like a gymnast. This is baseball. Swing the bat and hit the ball. Baseball.
This is skiing. Slide down the snowy slopes. Skiing. This is karate. Punch, kick, and show your moves. Karate.
This is volleyball. Hit the ball and keep it in the air. Volleyball. Great job, friends. We learned about soccer, basketball, tennis, swimming, running, cycling, karate, baseball, volleyball, skiing. What's your favorite sport? If you had fun and want to learn more, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share with your friends.